Hello girls, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm good. Can I ask your name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine?
Brooke.
Brooke, nice to see you. It's Pakistan Independence Day today. Any message for Pakistan?
Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.
Brooke,
Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.
thank you very much. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
You too.
Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
What's your name?
I'm Mandy.
Man.
Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Alaikum salam.
How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah. How
All
are you?
good. Where you from, brother?
Palestine.
Palestine.
Gaza. Falafel from Palestine. You have to try it.
Yeah, I've got one. Thank you very much.
Sure, I want to say in Arabic, كل عام وانتم بخير. We love you from Palestine, bro. And welcome to here anytime.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
That's brother's business. Sorry, what's your name, brother?
Kayal.
Kayan.
Yeah, and I love Pakistani people. From
Thank-
Palestine, we love you, wallah.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you. Hello, guys. How are you?
Good.
All good. Can I ask your name, brother?
Alfred.
What's your name?
Levi.
Levi.
Happy
Independence Day.
Thank you very much. Where
Thank
you
you.
from originally?
Spain.
Spain. Message from Spain for Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
you.
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Where you from, brother? Iraq.
Yeah.
What do you want to say about Pakistan?
Pakistan, Zindabad.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Alaikum salam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
What's your name, brother?
Abu Bakr.
Abu Bakr. Where you from, brother?
I'm from Senegal.
Senegal.
Yeah. Pakistan, Zindabad. Up to Independence Day.
Thank you very much.
Welcome,
Thank you very much. Hello, brother. How are you?
Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Happy Independence Day to all my brothers and sisters in Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother.
Take care.
This is love from Englishman for Pakistani people. So he knows Imran Khan. He loves Imran Khan. He loves Pakistan. He loves Pakistani people. So this is message from Robert again. Pakistan ki awaam. Pakistan.
Zindabad. Love you, Pakistan.
So we got Grace here. She got some message for you guys, Pakistan. Grace, what you got to say to Pakistan?
Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.
Thank you.